What's happening? What's happening, man? I'm uh I'm trying to be punctual. I'm trying to get my tabs together so I ain't sitting up here trying to type in 5 million things when I start shouting out my family. Appreciate that, Texas. Hold up. Y'all go to YouTube. Y'all follow Texas. Hold up to YouTube. Go to YouTube. YouTube.com/slash the new TLR. Um, Let me go ahead. I'm getting my tabs together. How was y'all day, man? How was y'all day? I see people coming up in here. Who that is? What's happening, 100? What's happening, Regina? What's happening, Craig? What's happening, everybody pulling up, man? How was y'all day, man? I looked at the market this morning. I ain't gonna hold you. After this morning, I ain't look at the market at all. I ain't look at the market at all. Um, Let me got a couple more pages to get together. Uh I stopped there. All right, man. Let's get into it. Let me share my Ninja Trade ain't open. My Ninja it was fun. You bullet the market today, 100. Let me let me get my let me get my I thought I had my Ninja Trader open. I ain't had my Ninja Trader open. All right, man. While we waiting on Ninja Trader to open up, man, let me tell y'all what the lick read. Y'all know what the lick read, man. It's the daily price action recap. Shout out to the Spider Gang. I see y'all. I appreciate y'all for always tapping in. I appreciate everybody that's been, what I'm saying, pulling up to the Spider Gang shop and supporting your boy. I appreciate y'all for spending y'all time with me every day, cause while I'm out here talk, what I'm saying, looking at these calendars with y'all, hey man, it's helping to sharpen me. What's up, Trey? What's up, Trey? I saw Trey post something today. Talk about the gray trader. You ain't the gray trader, is it, Trey? Hey, let me shout out my family real quick, man. Then we gonna get into it, man. Y'all already know the lick read, man. Y'all know who I am. My name is Timothy Lee Rogers Sr. You see that I got options. I buy them. I sell them shirt. If y'all want to support me, man, I won't never charge nobody for sharing my opinions or my thoughts or anything that I learned about the stock market. So I'm always give it away for the free 99. If you want to support me, man, come to the new TLR, all one word, 9 letters, one word, the new TLR. If you can't remember it, just remember my name, Timothy Lee Rogers. The TLR are my initials, the new TLR.com, and come shop with your boy, man. Come buy, t-shirts, sweatshirts, phone cases, water bottles. Come shop with your boy, man. Shout out my daughter Alexandra. Oh, look, Alexa stepped up the game on the page with the pocket wealth walk tees. Okay, I see you, Alexandria. She the cat with another design. Check her out. Wealth walks with the design. Yeah, feel me. I see you. I see you, Miss Cartwright. She got some new designs up there for y'all to pull up on, and she got the pocket tees, and she got the wealth walks. Okay, then I see ya. I see ya. Y'all go shop with my daughter Alexandria Cartwright. Side note, that's just my play daughter. That's not my real daughter. Alexandria's father is in her life. Just got to put that disclaimer out there. I don't want no Carolina boys rolling up on me. Cause us boys that live in Georgia, us Florida boys that live in Georgia, y'all know what the lick read. Hey man, y'all support my daughter Alexandria Cartwright. ShopWealthWalks.com. ShopWealthWalks.com. Shout out my homegirl Draco in the building. Another Carolina crazy. You know what I'm saying? Draco say she be teaching people how to shoot Dracos. Draco say she sees women how to shoot Drake. That's Draco right there, man. Y'all go support Draco. You know what I'm saying? She can help you get your financial life together too. Help you come up with budgets, estate planning, investing, all kind of stuff. Go to prolificprosperity.com. Prolificprosperity.com. Don't listen to me when I be saying prolific prophecy because I can't read. Prolificprosperity.com. Shout out to homegirl Briscoe. Briscoe at My Jammy jamilife.com. MyJamilife. Yes, it's JAMII, two eyes, LIFE.com. Again, I don't know who these light-skinned ladies are on here, but that ain't Briscoe. But go to Coach Coach Briscoe's energy is contagious. That's what somebody said. Shout out who that is. Yashika, a futures trader. Go check out Briscoe, what Briscoe got going on. If you like dogs, shout out to homeboy 100. Shout out to homeboy 100. If you like, I saw 100 walking Jasper today. He was walking Jasper today. But that's my favorite one on there, old Jasper. He was walking Jasper today. Do 100 still got the video up of him walking Jasper? Do he still got the video up? There you go. There you go. My buddy. My buddy. Who remember that? My buddy and me. Hey, swear he a big dog. Shout out to homie. And this is my other favorite here, Fat Boy. I like Fat Boy right there too. If you're into getting dogs, man, old 100 say he can get you any kind of dog you want. Go check him out. Bully, I say Bully Frenchies, Bully _ Frenchies, but it look like it's a Bully _ franchise. But y'all see it right there on IG. Y'all pull up on 100. Shout out to homeboy, the real Travis Scott. Why is this not typing? Go to Scott's Creation if you want to learn how to cook something or just get some good recipes, or if you want to hire a homie to do some catering for you. Look at them recipes. Oh, they look delicious. Meatball spaghetti with broccoli. Oh my goodness. Jerk chicken. Oh my, shrimp peppers with onions. Oh my Lord. Look at the menus. Look at the menus. Loaded baked potato with scrimps. Carb salad. Nah, I ain't with the carb salad. Butternut squash and bacon pasta. Okay, roasted Brussels sprouts. I ain't with the curry chicken. I can't swing with that. If you don't know how to cook it, if you go to videos, he'll show you how to cook it. See the onions and the bell peppers. That one a little blurry. Let's go to a good one. That one a little. I ain't gonna hold you. That one blurry. Let's go to a good one right there. There you go. Support the homeboy. That's the real Travis Scott. Shout out Uncle Charles. Everybody call him Uncle Charles. His name Charles Coney. Wall Street Consortium. You see how I spelled right here? If I don't follow him, or if it ain't spelled just like that, that ain't Charles. Feel me? Go click on his link in his bio and go book you a one-on-one on investing right there. This man is like 42nd generation investing, and his grandkids, great-grandkids are taken care of because all the stuff that he done did. You see him sitting right there? New Black Wall Street. You see him? All by itself. New Black Wall Street. Y'all go tap in with Uncle Charles, as everybody like to call him, and book a one-on-one with him. The homie Zay. Stock Zay. Go to Stock Zay. You see how I spelled? You see how it's, so if it don't look like that, or if I don't follow him, that's him. That ain't him. That light-skinned dude right there. That's him with his beautiful family. See that light-skinned dude right there? Oh, that's his beautiful baby right there. You go click on his little link in there, boom. You can sign up for his community. You can follow him on YouTube. You can schedule a one-on-one with him. Amazing trader, amazing fundamental trader, technical trader. He can break down any company you can think of. You throw a ticker out there and Zay probably can tell you about it off top his dome. He researched just about every ticker out there. Last one, and we're going to get into it, the homie P-Dub. If you did not see the Tim's Tidbit takeover yesterday, when the homie P-Dub came on here, P-Dub Consulting. If you don't get over here and click on this Calendly, I can't never say that, .com link, and sign up for a one-on-one with this dude right here, you doing yourself an injustice. I done did a one-on-one with P-Dub. Everybody I know done did a one-on-one with P-Dub. Y'all need to get at him. Go to Instagram, P-Dub Consulting on Instagram. Click on that link in his bio and schedule you a one-on-one. If you saw yesterday's Tim's Tidbit with P-Dub taking over, that man dropped so many gems, man. P-Dub took down Mark Monroe. I ain't gonna hold y'all. That's my family, man. Y'all support my family. Y'all go out there. Oh! I forgot about my homeboys and homegirls with the most difficult website in the world. A Squad. There it is. A Squad -live 22. And let me say it right. A Squad -live 22. www.myshopify.com. Pull up on A Squad Live and shop with A Squad. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, if y'all get these kind of shirts right here where it say men's premium heavyweight tees, they are premium, they are heavyweight, but mine, it's a little big. You might want to size down. Cause when I put it on, it looked like P-Dub said, you look like my boys putting on my t-shirt. They run big in these t-shirts here. I can't speak on the other stuff, but the A Squad, the men's premium heavyweight tees, they are heavyweight. You're going to have to wait the winter time to put them on, but go support my family, man. A Squad, let me read out this difficult URL again. Boy, Trey, JD, Vic, Danielle, I hope one of y'all in here listening to this right now. Get an easier URL that I can shout out. A Squad live 22.myshopify.com. Hey, that's my family, man. Y'all go support my family. Hey, shout out P-Dub. P-Dub took down Mark Monroe. P-Dub had the most live consecutive viewers. He had the most live chats, and he had the most live views in the same day. Matter of fact, I think P-Dub video probably got the most views ever just off one day. Hey man, let's get into it, man. What's good, everybody? I think that's everybody I want to shout out, man. If I forgot somebody, man, charge to my head, not my heart, man. I got a big family. Okay, y'all see what the lick read, man. This morning was a bunch of nothing. We pushed down, and then we went into a bunch of nothing for the rest of the day. You know what I'm saying? Bunch of nothing. Let's go to overnight. These 5-minute counters right here. I'm gonna leave it on 5-minute counters so we can like see what's going on. All right. So overnight, we just systematically priced up starting Sunday night. This Sunday night, the first candle is right there. That's the first candle. Oh, y'all can't see the screen. Y'all can't appreciate that, Tamp Skim. Y'all can't see the screen. Somebody will pull the yell that out. This the first candle. Right. Let's find the first candle again. Right here. This is the very first candle. So we just went sideways during the Asian up until 8 o'clock. And then at like 8 o'clock, we pushed up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Right, got up here, went sideways some. Then at 9 o'clock, we pushed up a little bit, came back down to that 8 o'clock range, and then systematically priced up until about 12 o'clock. And then at 12 o'clock, we just started going sideways again, a whole big nothing burger. Up until about 2:30, about 2:20. Then we start pricing up a little bit. Then at the London Open, we went sideways and then we took off to the upside like we was fun to do something, right? Then we came back down. We didn't get all the way back down to the breaking structure. Then we just kind of dilly-dallied right on top of this 60-minute fair value gap and this 15-minute fair value gap. I marked those out. You know what I'm saying? I had already marked those out this morning while we was talking on the live, right? We just kind of bounced up and down on those, right? And then coming over here to the 9:30 open, we came down, right? We came down to almost to the bottom. This is the 50% after we made the morning high on New York. So don't pay that no attention just yet, right? So we came almost to the bottom of the fair value gap. We was doing a whole bunch of nothing. Then right after I got off the live, we started pushing up. I think I was about to get off live. We tried to start pushing up like we was going up here to this hourly fair value gap that I was talking about on the live this morning, right? So we started pushing up toward that. Then we did a whole bunch of nothing up until 11 o'clock, right? At 11 o'clock, that's when we broke down and we ran, you know what I'm saying, the liquidity up under these lows right here. That's when we broke down and ran the liquidity up under these lows right here. Came down, boom, ran liquidity. Now, looking at this, we ran liquidity there. Then we went into a little bit of nothing. We, you know what I'm saying? And then we dropped down again, going to that, eating that fair value gap up that I was talking about this morning. So we eventually got to everything we discussed this morning. We filled this fair value gap, you know what I'm saying? And then we came down and we filled this fair value gap right here. Boom. Once we got there, we came back up right there to equilibrium, right? That's what this equilibrium, this 50% at 41.39.25, that's from the New York high down to the New York low. That's what that 50% is for. The New York high to the New York low, right? I marked that once we made a new high in New York, and we came down and we made a new low in New York. I marked that sometime this afternoon after we had started doing all of this little dilly-dallying right up in here. So I marked that to equilibrium to see what we was going to do. Well, we going to come back up to equilibrium, hit this fair value gap up here and sell back off, or were we going to come back up to equilibrium and then just then take back off? What were we going to do? So we came back to equilibrium, then pushed back down, made another we made an equal low right here, and that's when I came in and marked this sell side liquidity right there. I said, okay, I don't know if we're gonna take that out today. I'm just gonna mark it because it was like the sell side liquidity, and not long after that, we dipped into it. We dipped into it again, going down into this 1 minute fair value gap right here. Right? Once we dipped below that and came back up, we dipped below it again and came back up. I came back here and said, oh, let me see. Well, oh no, I was already back here. It's the end of the day. Yeah, I came back here about 3:45. So I said, let me see what we messing around with right here. And that area there, them two equal lows at 41.07.25, that coincides with a 1 minute fair value gap right over here that we made. What's that? 6.5 at 8:05. What was 6.5 yesterday? So we made that last night. We made that last night at 8:05 while we was dilly-dallying in the Asian, right? That's a 1 minute fair value gap. That's what we kept coming to. So I marked that out because I was like, let me see what we keep messing around with on that right there, right? And then I didn't do no trading today. I didn't look for no setups. So I ain't even gonna get into any setups because trading wasn't on my agenda today, because I was like, okay, I just want to see what the market going to do, because we was doing a whole bunch of nothing last week, right? Let's look at SPY real quick before I go into what I want to see with the ES. SPY, you got to be kidding me. SPY oh, I'm hitting the mic and everything. I jollipies, y'all. Look at this, man. We in the exact same spot. We've been talking about this 50% area for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th day now, because we started talking about it once we made this breaking structure, right? We made this breaking structure. I drew out the line right there. I said, if you a breaking structure trader, once you break the structure, you know what I'm saying, when you come back to the breaking structure, that's when you go long or go short, depending on what side it is, right? So we got the breaking structure on May 27th, right? I think that was a Friday. I would be correct. May 27th, when we got the breaking structure on May 27th, that was a Friday. And then this right here is the equilibrium or 50% line from the drop on April 21st, right? From the drop on May the 4th, we already done proved that we bullish past that. You know what I'm saying? And so we already proved we bullish past this one. Now we working on the drop from here. We at 50%. We at 50% of this drop. We trying to get back to 50% of this drop. Let's mark that for anybody that wasn't on the live with us. You know what I'm saying? And the reason why I be paying attention to the 50% of the areas of the drop is because that's where it marks the discount and premium during that run. And when it get in that area, that's when the bulls and the bears be like, you go first. No, you go first. You go first. No, you go first. That's when everybody trying to figure out who gonna go first because we don't have no economic catalyst no more. We ain't got no big news. We ain't got nothing going on. So it's just a whole bunch of double dutch getting in, waiting to get in on the double dutch. You go first. You go first. You go first. That's where we at. So running from that one right there down to the lower of the low, right? The next 50%. If we get to our target, we gonna blow through that 50%. So up now I remember because last time we did this, I was like, I'm not worried about when I priced out when I did this drop, and we did this one, and that one, and I said I wasn't really worried about this one because it was so close to that one. And now I remember because as you see, that 50% is right there, and this 50% is right here. So it's like, they so close. That's why I didn't mark it out, right? But trying to get to our destination of get out the way, thing. Get out my way. Trying to get to our liquidity delivery destination of 430. We're trying to get to 429. The delivery, the liquidity we picked up down here when we ran liquidity. My most probable place of them delivering this liquidity is right here above these equal highs right there. Right? And right now, we just coiling, as some people like to say, we consolidating, as some people like to say, we barcoding, as some people like to say, we Christmas trees trading, as some people, whatever we doing, we just moving sideways, soaking up liquidity, and we getting ready to pop in one direction. My prediction, my bias is still bullish, because I still haven't been proven wrong. We still in the exact same spot we've been sitting in since last week. Y'all know Timmy Rogers be early to the party. I'm early to the party. I'm sitting here like, you better do something. You feel me? You better do something. But, so just looking at the SPY, we're going to go with what I want looking at the SPY. Looking at the SPY is still the same thing. I still want the same thing. Today, y'all know I like to go down first to go up. So today, we starting out exactly like I want to start out. We coming down. You see what I'm saying? We coming down on the day. I want the day to give us a little bit of pop, so I didn't want it to be this bearish. I wanted to give us a little bit of a pop. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, I can't hold you. I'm glad we ended down here like we did. I'm glad we did. I'm glad we pushed down as much as we did. Now, I wish we would have pushed down a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? And got back below this low of yesterday. I wish we would have pushed down a little bit more, got back below this low of yesterday. But I think if you look over here, I think they just wanted to end with a green day to not disappoint, you know what I'm saying, everybody in the world. Oh, we had a down Friday and a down Monday. You know what happens? You have a down Friday, down Monday. Oh, that's just mean the market just fun to go to doo-doo. You know what I'm saying? I think they just want to avoid that down Friday, down Monday because we scratched out a green day. Yes, it's a red candle, but it's above Friday's close. So all three indices scratched out a green day, right? So now, what I want to see, I do want to see us come down tomorrow or sometime tonight and run the liquidity up under these lows. Now, if we do it during the nighttime, we not gonna get it on the SPY. That's the only thing I hate about it. That's why I want to go ahead and do it tomorrow. I want to run these lows up under 407, right? I want to hit them. I want to handle this gap work on this wick in this full gap between these 2 days right here. I want to handle this gap in wick work. I don't want to fill the whole gap. I just want to get below, run this liquidity because we've been barcoding right here. So a lot of people watching this. So let's go ahead and run this liquidity under here and go. You see what I'm saying? Because a lot of people, when we took off the other day, a lot of people that got happy and said, oh, this right here, good support. They done tuck some stop losses up under here. They done tuck some stop loss. And then today, they feeling real happy about that because Friday and today, we didn't trade below that. So they feeling real comfortable with their stop losses up under there. Let's go ahead, boop, poke our head under there, finish this wick work, you know what I'm saying, touch the close of that day, and then take off tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Let's get down there, get it quick, and take off. I don't care if we open, let's gap down to here, tuck down there real quick, and take off. Let's do that. But that's what I want to see for the SPY on tomorrow. I want to come down here, run this liquidity, and take off. I do not want to see us come run liquidity above this consolidation first. If we run liquidity above this consolidation first, I'm going to be nervous. And the reason why I'm going to be nervous is because y'all know my theory. If we run liquidity to the upside first, that means we going down. That's just the way I look at it. You know what I'm saying? We could stay where we at now, running liquidity and keep pushing and go ahead and deliver. Cause shout out P-Dub, just like P-Dub said. If everybody looking at these equal lows, everybody looking at this fair value gap, what's saying that they won't just go the other way on you? You know what I'm saying? And like P-Dub said yesterday on the live, y'all need to go back and look at that live. What's the best way to get out of their positions? Pushing it up here, and then getting out the position, selling to you, and then dropping it, pushing it up here, going short, selling to you, you getting super bullish because it's ripping. You know what I'm saying? You a breakout trader. You come up here and you break this structure right here. Oh, we from the rip. Sell it to you, go short, and drop it like drop it like it's hot. They can do that. You know what I'm saying? But I would love to see them come down, run this liquidity, and then go up. I like to go down before I go up. If we go up, break these highs, before we come break these lows, the highs, if we get up above 417, before what's that? 417, 44. Let's say if we get to 418, before we get to what's that? 4704. If we get to 418 before we get to 407, I will be nervous. That's what I want to see for the SPY tomorrow, man. That's what, and it's basically, y'all already know it's the same thing on the ES. You know what I'm saying? I flip these up to, bump this up to 60-minute candles so it'll look a little bit better. Boom. Same thing on the, what's the name? I don't want to see us come down here below 4071. This sell side liquidity where I got resting at 4072. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's kind of small and blow it up a little bit. This sell side liquidity right down here up under 4072. I don't want to see us, tomorrow that is, you know what I'm saying? Tomorrow that is, if they come down here during the night and get it, I don't care. You see what I'm saying? But tomorrow, once the SPY open, once 9:30 open, I don't want to see us up here running liquidity up on this side, right? Up here, I don't want to see us running liquidity up here above this 41.89. When the SPY open tomorrow, I don't want to see us running above 41.89 before we hit below 40.72. You see what I'm saying? I want to let's come down here in the night. Let's open up tomorrow down here below 40.96. You know what I'm saying? Let's sell down tonight. Open up tomorrow below Friday's low of 40.96. When New York open, drop down, run the sell side liquidity at 40.72 like I was saying. Stay above this daily fair value gap down here like I was saying. And then take off. Pew! Gone. Set a weekly low. Set a new weekly low on Tuesday. And then take off. Just gone. Just going to the upside. That's the, that same thing we just said on the SPY. Just looking at it on the with the ES levels in case somebody be like, "Well, Tim, what's the levels you looking at on the ES?" Those the levels I'm looking at, little Timmy Rogers. With that being said, man, what's up, Draco? With that being said, that's all I got for the price action review, man. I'm putting the link in the chat like I always do. Do anybody got anything they want to share? If you want to share something, pull up. Click that link that I just dropped in the chat. Pull up on that. Take off, Offset. Take off. Rich to the left. Broke to the... Hey. 4166 take off. What's up, the spicy? What's up, Fuego? Fuego in the building. Do anybody got anything they want to share? Do anybody see anything on the chart that I missed? Do anybody see anything on the chart that I missed? Anybody got anything anything they want to share about the charts, you can type it in the chat. You can click on the link and pull up. If not, July 2nd, the cousin Q, June the 12th, the cousin Q gonna be pulling up to do a Tim's Tidbit takeover. July the 2nd, I'm gonna be doing the second installment of Discipline Over Dollars seminar live at the Columbus Public Library at 3000 Macon Road, Columbus, Georgia. If you're in the area, pull up. I'm gonna do the same thing I did last time. I'm gonna stream it live on the YouTube page, but it won't be saved in the public. It won't be saved in the public. I'm gonna stream it live so that you can share it with your friends and families. It's gonna be the second installment of Stock Market 101. It's gonna be the second installment where we're gonna go into actually like building portfolios, you know what I'm saying? Just some simple recommendations of, what I'm saying, either using IRAs or Roth IRAs and stuff like that. How to actually build a portfolios if you don't know, what I'm saying, if you ain't got no just a strategy of like copying the big boys. If you want to do individual companies, the strategy of dealing with like ETFs, just, what I'm saying, all it's just gonna be how to actually start doing it. I done gave you all the jargon. I done told you how to open a brokerage account. Now it's gonna be how to do it. And then that's on July the 2nd at 11 o'clock. And then on August 13th, it's gonna be focused on the traders. It's gonna be all about traders. If you want to be a trader, you know what I'm saying? Y'all pull up on your boy if you're in the area. What y'all talk about in the chat? Again, the link in the chat right there if y'all want to pull up and ask something, if y'all want to pull up and share something. Do we usually create the Lord Week on Tuesday? From my back testing and what I learned this from ICT, so I started back testing it for myself. Usually on like the bias of the week, the opposite is set between primarily Monday and Tuesday. It's most of the time it's set on Tuesday. Sometimes it takes all the way up until Wednesday. So meaning if it's bearish on the week, the high is usually set on Tuesday. It's mostly between Monday and Tuesday. It can be set like at nighttime, or it can be set during the New York, but it's usually set on Tuesday, and then they run it low. And if it's bullish for the week, it's usually the low is usually set on Tuesday. Then they run it again. It ain't 100%, but a lot of time, the majority of the times, it's set on Tuesday. I ain't gonna say predominant. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna say the majority. Because like I just learned from a assistant principal, you know what I'm saying, there is a difference between predominant and majority. Majority is just more than 50%, and predominant is, I think it's above 70% or something like that. There's a difference between predominant and majority. I just learned that at church Sunday, and I'm almost 50. How do you pull your charts on the left side of the screen, and then just scrunch them up. Just scrunch them up. When you, I'm not sharing my screen no more. Hold on, I got to reshare it. You must be new here, Dan. I promise you, a cousin asked me that like every other live. You must be new here. Why is add it to the screen, Tim? Okay. All right, Dan, we gonna welcome Dan, cause you must be new here. All right, I'm gonna do it from scratch from Dan, cause last week I did it from scratch for somebody. I can't remember who it was, but I'm doing it from scratch for Dan. All right, Dan. You got to go to your control center. You go to your control center and you go to new, right? Go to new chart. You know what I'm saying? And then you go in and you pick your instruments. We're going to pick the ES, boom, stay in the same wonder. Go pick NQ, boom, stay in the same wonder. Go pick the YM, boom. However many you want, I just want them 3, right? And you just stay in the same wonder, and then make sure your stuff is set. Make sure your chart is set how you want it to be set. I just got them all set on 60-minute candles right now, right? And then so you go, boom, you hit OK, right? When you hit OK, it gives you a window that look like this. If you ain't got your chart trader turned on, don't mind that. I turn it off too. You can turn it off easy. So it give you a window that look like this right here. And the only thing I do, I just scrunch it up. I bring it all the way down till I can just see the ticker and the symbol and the time, and then I take it and I just put it over there on the side of the screen like that. That's all I do. It's just two different chart windows. One has one symbol and one has three symbols. That's all I do. That's it. That's how you get it on the screen like that. It's just two different chart windows, and that's how you set it up and get it done like that. Dan is the man with the boom chop 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 chop. Where you at? Aiming for 4172. You say that's where we going? You think that's where we going? 100 4172 uphill. That's that'll put us in the fair value gap that we was talking about this morning. I believe that. But I don't want to see us go get that. I don't want to go get no liquidity up here until we go get this liquidity down here. I don't want to do that. If we go get this liquidity first, that's gonna start giving me bearish tendencies for the week. And so I don't want to do that. I don't want to go get that liquidity first. I want to come get the liquidity down here first and then go get that 4. We can go get 4172. That'll put us right in that fair value gap that we was talking about this morning, 100. I take that. Do we use? I said that. How do you say that? Aiming said. I said okay. It's called replay. I don't. Oh, he said he late. Man, 100, man, you gotta stop. You and Boogie, I promise you. You, Boogie, Lex, man. Kev, yeah, Kev deserve it. But you, Boogie, Lex, Kev, man, y'all too much, man. I appreciate that tap skim. You was breaking it down. I appreciate you. Look here, y'all know I don't know nothing about no flags. Matter of fact, go for the principal office for even typing that. I don't know nothing about no flags, man. Matter of fact, Tap Skim, you just volunteered to pull up and break down chart patterns and all that right there. You just DM me and let me know what day you gonna do it. Right now, I still got June 26th open. I ain't got nobody to pull up on June 26th yet. So you just volunteered to come on and talk about chart patterns. DM me and let me know if June 26th is gonna work for you. I'm gonna start telling everybody. Yeah, press the like button. 100 said press the like button. Oh, you said 4072. Oh yeah, that's what I just said. That's what I just said. Yeah, 4072. Yeah, let's go down to 4072. Stop repeating what I'm saying, 100. Go walk Jasper. Ain't no. You just volunteered. Looking for that drop overnight so we can run AMD back up. AMD was running today. AMD, man, I ain't watched nothing today. Was AMD running today? Hey, if you can spot it, that means you can teach it, man. You know what? Hey, if you want to see the charts, you got to pull up on YouTube. I just have it open on IG just so my IG family will know that we live, because it started on IG. The Tim's Tidbit started on IG, so I leave IG open while I'm talking, but IG be ticking me off. I don't like going live on IG no more, so I go live on YouTube. The cousins were like, excuse me, Tim, go to YouTube. So I went to YouTube, and now we do everything on YouTube. I just leave it up so that y'all will know. Pull up on YouTube, because you know what I'm saying, sometimes IG don't notify, sometimes YouTube don't notify, so I'm just covering all bases. Somebody told me I need to go live on TikTok. I might start doing it. I post a couple things on TikTok, but let's look at what time we've been on here. 40 minutes. I was fun to start looking at some stuff, man, but I done been on here long enough, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all no more, man. I appreciate y'all. I was gonna look at a couple tickers, but I ain't gonna hold y'all no more. We've been on here 39 minutes. I appreciate y'all for pulling up, man. I already shouted out my family, support my family. Y'all know who they are. You know what I'm saying? That's me. Again, I won't never charge for this information. I want everybody to be like, form a Discord. Hey, we got a Discord right here on YouTube. That, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to set up nothing new. I ain't trying to charge nobody for nothing. Y'all already know me. I ain't a mentor. I ain't no financial advisor, but I answer a question. If I know the answer, hey, I'll let you know. If I don't know the answer, I'll be like, look here, cuz, I don't know that answer. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, if y'all want to support me, hey, go thenewtlr.com and buy some merch, or you can just go to you can hit a super chat while we live if you really want to support me, man. But until then, until the next time I see y'all, I don't go running tomorrow, so I jump on in the morning and go live on Instagram and do the overnight price section. Just see what we looking at for the overnight, and then I see y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna try to do. I usually try to do that just before the market opens, so somewhere between 9 and 9:15, I'll be going live in the morning because I ain't got to run. I'll be here at the house. And then I see y'all on YouTube tomorrow at 6:30 to do the price action recap. I appreciate y'all, man. I'm gone.